Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to memes, but if I laugh, I gotta make a funny noise. So, as always, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see more of this. So, let's get right into it.
Yo, do you think you can record this video with me?
Yeah.
Just point it at me.
He's seen some things on.
No, 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 no. No.
I went and saw my doctor the other day, and he told me I had to stop and I asked him why, and he said, because I'm trying to examine you.
Oh my god, Mitchell, that's disgusting.
Saw my doctor the other day, and he
No, no, no,
How do we
no,
watch
no,
that shit?
no, 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 no. No.
I went and saw my doctor the other day, and he told me I had to stop and I asked him why, and he said, because I'm trying to examine you.
Oh my god, Mitchell, that's disgusting.
Okay, that makes sense. Off the cops. Bro, why is that laugh? I never understood this video. I always see this video all the time.
Hello. 2 tickets, please.
For what movie?
Hello guys.
Oh my god. Subscribe to this channel, by the way.
I've never seen one up close.
Yo, Ratatouille. Jeez, bro.
Hey, keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth.
I'll show you guys the funniest thing.
What the fuck?
Yamanamadoop, Yamanamama, Lama Gamagoop, Gamagoop, and Yama
What is that,
Bebop,
bro?
Yabba the Baba Thumb when the beat drop.
That, man?
I hope that treat is as good as your response. Anyway, I got 4 of them right there for you. Pick one after I read this. It says, incredible. Biologists have discovered an octopus capable of blank. Which one you got? That one is me.
How big is your medium pizza?
It's 14 inches.
And how big is your large?
16.
So it's like 2 inches?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
Yeah.
It is, though.
Bang.
Why does that always get me, bro? Ben always gets me.
Guys, look what
Ooh.
I got at the arcade. It's this really shitty bow and arrow. I'm gonna try to shoot it.
Nice.
What the fuck?
Come back here.
That got me, bro.
Suki, come here.
What a cute doggy. Help the dog out, bro.
Dude, I can't get the zipper. It's stuck right here. You think it'll look good? Is that it?
I love Spider-Man, bro. Let me rewatch that shit, bro. Okay. Okay, she got the grandma. Oh,
Do you need a straw?
Oh no, I got my own.
Yo, what is that? Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that? Okay.
Oh boy, just wanted a
James.
picture, bro. They're judging her.
Bro, I got the loudest coffee maker in the world. Watch how loud this shit is.
Did you feed your grandma Play-Doh? How many times did I have to?
What the fuck?
Alexa, what's on my shopping list?
You have 6 items on your shopping list. iPad, toys, poop to poop poop on dads, butt farts, poop, cheese.
Ooh.
Why?
You trying to steal it?
Oi, Pokemon, sial.
Pokemon?
Wow. Whose shoes are you? Whose shoes? Oh my gosh. It's okay.
Ooh. I love those. Not milk and cheese. Oh my god.
Oh. Ah.
Wait. Is this just scratching his back or is that tree doing something?
I really don't understand these videos. Just jumping on a trampoline, or you're just trying to show off your skills as a, you know, acrobatic or.
Wow. Wait, let me watch.
I don't understand these videos. Just jumping on a trampoline, or you're just trying to show off your skills as a, you know, acrobatic or.
Wow. I wish mine was like that, bro. Oh yeah. So stupid. Yeah, them sharks fucking shit up, dog. Go, 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 go. Homie's pissed. Why do you sound like that?
Right here.
Oh, I hate that shit.
Trai tài gái sắc, đôi mình là nhất. Lạc trên sớm dưới, đẹp đôi thì có ai bằng. Yêu nhau mấy mùa trăng, đến lúc tin truyền trăm năm. Chuyện này anh quyết cưới em liền tay. Đàn trai bưng mâm, theo sau anh rước em về làm dâu. Ngày lành trong tháng, trầu cao anh sang đeo tay em chiếc nhẫn vàng. Ô dù qua xa em ơi, rượu mừng mình nâng ly. Ngày mình vui thì gần ngày chỉ 1, 2, 3 vô hết ly. Kiểu giặc ngựa ô, anh khớp đón em về dinh rồi. Hoa pháo bay nổ tung trời, cùng xây giấc mơ tuyệt vời. Năm sau anh quyết mà làm giàu.
Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and have a good rest of you guys' week, dog. See you guys later.